Now we're going to show you the installation of our faceplate that we put on the front of our drawers. You're going to need 1032 button head stainless steel screws, 1032 threaded inserts, a small mallet, and a hex head T-handle or an Allen head 1/8" bit. First off, you're going to start by putting in the threaded inserts. And these go on the inside of the drawer face. You don't want to make these super tight as it will crease the corners of the faceplate. There you go. Next we're going to install the latches. We have a backing plate and the latch itself and supplied screws. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and install that. Slip from the front there, your backing plate. The backing plate onto the latch. Here again, you don't want to over tighten. You might break the backing. Next we're going to install the catches for the latches on the top part of the box. And they have two sides. The darker textured spot part goes on top, so we're going to flip it around. This part here is where the latches or the catches are going to be. Flip this back around, you're going to need your small mallet, the 1/8" T-handle or Allen wrench, 1032 by 3/4 stainless steel button heads, and 1032 threaded inserts. We're going to put those in first. They're going to go on this side here. There are already holes drilled for these threaded inserts. Turn that around. It's just a little piece of angle with two holes in it. Take our 1032 screws. This is the top outside front of the box. Kind of center up the screw on the catches. Go ahead and make those snug.